guys, my name is Mr. Stevenson, and today we'll be going over factoring monomials first. First off, to factor a monomial has to be in standard form, known as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a does not equal 0. Now let's try an example. (5x squared plus 5x minus 10. Now, the monomials are A, B, and C, and we have to find what each have in common, and we have to factor that. We know that that's 5 because 5 times the quantity of x squared plus x minus 2 is the same as 5x squared plus 5x minus 10, because 5x squared, 5 times 5x squared equals 5x squared, 5 times x equals 5x, and 5 times negative 2 equals negative 10. Now we must factor this little chunk right here into two monomials. So now we have to find a number that multiplies to equal this the constant, in this case which is negative 2, and adds to equal x. So we know that that's 2 times negative 1. So this becomes x plus 2, x minus 5. And this is your final answer. And to check it to make sure it's the correct answer, you just have to multiply everything through, and you should get 5x squared plus 5x minus 10. So let's try that. So 5 times x equals 5x. 5 times 2 equals 10. Then 5x times x equals 5x squared. 5x times negative 1 equals negative 5x. 10 times x equals positive 10x. And 10 times negative 1 equals negative 10. So we have like terms, negative 5x and 10x, which equals 5x. And that is our final answer, so this was correct right here. Okay, so we're going to try a couple more. Let's try 8y squared minus 28y minus 60. So again, we have to find something that all these terms have in common, which is 4. So we have 4 times the quantity of 2y squared minus 7y minus 15. And 4 goes into this, which makes that to make that, and 4 times negative 15 makes negative 60. Next, we have to factor this. And do not forget to bring the 4 down after you do that. So first, to factor this, you have to times the coefficient times the constant, which is negative 30. And then you have to find two numbers that multiply by each other to give you this, but then add to give you this. So in this case, it's negative 10 times 3. Because negative 10 times 3 equals 30, and it adds up to give you negative 7. So let's write that. Y minus 10 times the quantity of y plus 3. Now at this step, we still have to include that 2, or else this is wrong. So we have to divide the 2 into here and here. Simplify it as much as possible. And then if we can't simplify it anymore, we have to move whatever we divided over. So over here, we can't simplify 3 halves anymore. So move the 2 over to the front. So now it's 2y plus 3. And then over here, 10 over 2 equals 5. So y minus 5. Simple. And we bring the 4 down. And that is your final answer. I'm going to check it real quick. So you have 4y minus 20, 2y plus 3. 8y squared plus 12y minus 40y minus 60. And then 12y minus 40y equals negative 28y. So that is the correct answer. So you're left with this right